All right, I'm at a computer that has the Crealty software on it, so I can get ready to 3D print. And what I've done is I've logged in to the HSTEE Google account. If it has not, if that isn't logged in, the username, of course, is HSTEE at mystma.org. And the password is capital K, Knights18. That'll get you into this location. And if there gets to be a ton of files in here, you just have to search for your name. Remember, I saved this. It's called first. Oh, there it is. First, last, hoop. And there it is right here. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and download that file onto the computer. And I'm going to open up this icon right here, which is the Crealty software. All right, you can see we've got the Ender printer bed already loaded onto here. We're going to go ahead and bring that downloaded file in. So click on the open icon. There it is. Click open. And that should look like your hoop. Okay, you can see your name is engraved in the back. And it should be in this position. It should be sitting on this flat position. Now, for some reason, it comes in differently. Let's go over some of the things that we can do to change that. There's not many tools here that we would need to work on, but this one moves the part sort of in any direction. And you always want to try and print somewhere around the middle of the bed. The next one is a scaling. And of course, we don't want to scale this at all. We want to print it at 100%. You may need to rotate it. If it comes in at a goofy angle, you might need to rotate this so that it's sitting flat by clicking on these different axes. But we want it to sit like this when we're done. Now there are some options we want to make sure that we take care of. Let's kind of go ahead and look at the option that is called support. Okay. I do not want to generate any support for this. This is going to take more time. And so if this box is selected, please deselect it. We're going to leave all the other settings as they are. I'm going to click on Slice. And if I preview this, you can kind of see that all of the different layers that it's going to take to print this could be animated. So every layer usually we can print that, go through all the layers. Oh, here we go. On the right-hand side, there's 106 layers that make up this hoop. And you notice that it isn't solidly filled. It's kind of has this honeycomb texture to it. That's by design. That speeds up the printing process. And so it's going to start from layer 1, build its way up, all the way up to layer 106. So yours should be 106 as well. All right, this file needs to be saved to a micro SD card. So all you need to do is click on Save to Disk, and it should already say here your first and last name. So we will be able to find that on the micro SD. So we're going to hit Save to Disk, find the micro SD here, and click Save. The last part of this process is loading the material in the printer, the color that you need, and making sure the bed is level. So once we do that, we are ready to print.